Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can resize your design in Canva so it can be used for different types of platforms. For example, let's say you want to use your YouTube thumbnail for a video on Instagram or maybe on Facebook. There are different social networks that you can share your thumbnails and designs, so you can have all of these and resize them within Canva very easily. So if you're interested in this type of content, please consider subscribing because I'm gonna be showing you some more tips and tricks so you can make your designs using Canva. Let's get started. As I was telling you before, when you create a design in Canva, you can resize it so it can fit in multiple platforms like any other social network, for example, or if you want to share it, maybe make it in a document size, you can do that as well. So let me show you how. Let's go to my computer now. So if I go to my Canva account here, you are going to see that I have different designs. So I'm gonna open a recent design here. I'm gonna open this one, for example. It's a YouTube thumbnail. So what I want to do is to share this thumbnail but in Facebook, and also I want to share it on Instagram. There is this option here that is called Resize. So I'm gonna click here. You can either choose the size by choosing pixels, or you can just choose, for example, Facebook post, Instagram post, or if these are the most recent options that I've used, but you can also choose any other one that is here. In this case, I'm going to choose Instagram story. Okay, so I'm gonna click on copy and resize because I don't want to mess up with this design that I already created, but I just wanna create a new one. So I'm gonna click on copy and resize. Unless that you want to change the one that you already created, you don't think that you will be using this for anything else, you can do resize only, okay? But I'm gonna use copy and resize, and I'm gonna click on here, and as you can see, there are some things that need to be fixed here. So what I'm gonna do is to get rid of this one. You can change the background or change the element at your convenience. In this case, what I'm going to do is to make this bigger, and I'm going to center this one right here. You can see that it's centered when you see that pink line over there. Okay, so I'm going to do that, and I'm going to resize it again. And you might want your face or not there. So if you want to still have it, because I did two pictures of this, you can just remove this one and fix the background. So for example, you can just leave the hand there, and let's see how it looks. So you can do it like that, enlarge it a little bit so you can see the hand better, and we can center this one like a little bit more here, and if you want it in the middle exactly, it will be right here, but I don't want this gap on the top, so I'm gonna just put it here, and I like it that way. You can also add other elements, like for example, share it. If you click on elements, you can just click share it, like it. If you type like it, you will see the heart button here that it's mostly used on Instagram or here, but I just prefer it to do it the simple way, and I'm going to click on download. Okay, and you can download it, and this way you have a different size. So as you could see, the changes that you make on the current design will depend on the design you already have and the size of the design that you already have. It might be easier, for example, if I go to this one right here again and I click on resize it, but I just wanted to do it for Facebook post, I will click here, copy and resize, and as you can see, it opens a new window, and what it does, it is not a very different size. So you can see that we will just fix my picture here so it matches the background. And I'm gonna enlarge these ones right here and fix them, like put them just right here, and there it is. That's the way I like it. You can also, for example, change it so my face can be within the square here. So I'm just going to fix it a little bit, and I think it's there. It's very simple. You just need to change it here on Resize and copy and resize. Of course, you might need to do a little bit of adjustments to your current design, but you can for sure easily just change a little bit of those elements, and there you go, you will have it in seconds. And you will be using the same design, the same background, the same elements. Let me know if you have any questions on the comments below, or if you have any other requests of what you can do using Canva. I hope you find this video useful, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.